Hi, Chef Joe with Healthy Kids Inc. and today we're going to be making portobello and asparagus pasta. So we've got a pot of boiling salted water going, we've got a small saute pan with a little bit of oil heating up, and we have our food processor ready to make our pesto. So first things first, I want to drop my tortellini. Asparagus will go in at the very last minute, last few minutes of cooking there. So in the meantime, we're going to work on our pesto. We have our basil leaves. There's a little bit of oil already in the bottom of the food processor. We have some parsley. We have some pine nuts. And Parmesan cheese. Quick pinch of salt. Fresh cracked black pepper. Just a little oil on top. Going to add just a splash water. Okay, the pesto is ready. All right, we're ready to begin sauteing our portobello. All right, so we're about 5 minutes or so out from our tortellini being done, so we're going to go ahead and drop our asparagus. They don't need long to cook. Pinch of salt. All right, at this point we're ready to drain our pasta and our asparagus. I'm going to leave a little bit of water in the bottom of the pan. Move our portobellos off the heat. All right, so now we're ready to toss in our pesto. All right, and at this point all there is left to do is to plate it, and we'll show you the finished product in just a couple of minutes.